What's up guys, Samsung is having an unpacked event in San Francisco on Feb 20 and we expect to see at least 3 new phones, including the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus with 4 cameras on the back and 2 on the front in a punch hole on the Infinity O display. There might be more than a month to the official launch, but the S10 Plus already appeared in a live photo. Yeah guys, you are looking at the official first live look of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Our editor uploaded a photo of a person apparently using the device on a bus or train late yesterday. It's a grainy photo, but it gives us some clues as to what to expect at the phone's launch next month should it be the real deal. The Galaxy S10 Plus appeared to have a dual selfie camera at the top right embedded in the display as had been speculated, while you can just about make out the buttons of the Samsung's One UI interface at the bottom of the screen too. It looks like a near bezel-less screen. The handset looks like it's protected in a square case, so we are not able to see every design element around the device edge. People working at smartphone companies are sometimes given test units to take home, bundled within a security case and other protective measures to conceal its identity and stave off leak. The device itself probably has slightly rounder edges than it seems from the outside, like in this render. The poster confirmed this is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus with a flip cover, but the user removed the watermark on the screen with the employee ID and the device screen. The device is still in pre-production case. The phone is reportedly lighter than a Galaxy Note 9 despite being the same size. He couldn't properly try gaming or video watching due to the watermark across the screen. There is a fingerprint scanner under the display, but aside from these technologies, the differences from the last year's flagship are not huge. And the prolific tipster and leakster ICON was also tweeted about this photo. This is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. It is expected that Samsung employee leak. This is the S10 Plus with a protective case. Are you satisfied? If you check out the reply of this tweet, someone asked for the source. According to the Ice Universe, the source has been deleted. But according to the MS Power user, the image was originally posted in private forum never.com and has been published by /leaks by a leaker, leak spinner with a reasonably good track record of accuracy. So having been said, this is the official first live look of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now, what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Peace out.